Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you this type of smooth face tracking video. We need two applications for this edit. First one is Efiko and second one is Tracket Motion. Both applications download link is in the description box. So let's start our tutorial. Open the Efiko app. Now select your video clip. Now scroll side a bit and find multi-effect option. Tap and hold on 9 mirror effect. This effect makes a tile effect to your clip, that's why you can track face or any object in your video very easily. Click here to save this clip in your gallery. Now open Tracket Motion app. Click on the plus icon and add your video clip. Now click on Stabilization Layer. There are two options for tracking. One is the forehead and the other is the nose. But you should try both because you should keep the one that gives you better results. I think I need to choose the nose now. Now save this clip at the highest quality. You can open whatever video editing software you have. Now we need to zoom the clip so that the outside part is not visible. You may need to set the subject into middle on the screen. Our clip is ready to export. Export your video clip at the highest quality as possible. You can watch the suggested videos here. Maybe you will like them. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.